Hello, my name is Matt Baird. I'm with Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods, Incorporated in Canfield, Ohio. We have a very special event coming up, our Red, White, and True sale. We would love to urge all you folks to either shop online or shop at our showroom. We're going to go through our operation here and show you possibly why we try to do it as right as we can and how we do things here. Here we're in our stacker grader shed at Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods. What we're doing today is putting up 2 and better poplar. We're prepping it out to go to the dry kill. We'll dry this product down to a 7% moisture content, so it's ready to go to our manufacturing facility. Here at Baird Brothers, we have 550,000 board feet of dry kill capacity. What we're drying in here today is poplar. Each kill has a different schedule. Red oak has a different, white oak, the poplar, the hard maple, the cherry, and the walnut all run on a different schedule. Time that it dries, humidity control, heat control. What basically we're doing is putting dry heat into the top of this kill, blowing it through the lumber, and evacuating the moisture back out through the side vents. We fire all these with wood waste fired, so we're 100% green on our kill drying facility. Here at Baird Brothers, we make all our own electricity, and we co-fire generate with our waste sawdust, waste wood product. It's a 100% green operation as far as power goes. So this is our powerhouse. This is our boiler house. This is a 100% wood-fired boiler. What we do is we capture our wood waste out of our mills. It screws over top of the powerhouse into what we call a fine knife grinder, and then blows the dust into the boiler and burns it like gas. So this is another part of our green operation. Nothing here goes to waste. We also take the waste heat off our boiler, and we have a grain farm, and we dry our grain with that. So once again, we're 100% green. This is our rough mill operation. We traditionally run about 35,000 board feet a day through this. We manufacture our long clear molding planks as well as our flooring products. We also have our flooring line in here. We run almost every day. So very ergonomic, very yield oriented. We rip a lot of poplar, 1 and 2 common, to go to our finger joiner operation. This is our finger joiner line here at Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods. We run this operation 5 days a week. What we're basically doing is taking low-grade poplar, we're cutting it up on that rough mill line, we're sorting it, goes into boxes, and we're finger joining it like this to make long 16-foot molding blanks out of it. We also make door jambs out of that. Then what we do is run it through the molding plant and take it to the paint plant and prime it. Here at Baird Brothers, one of our strong suits in the molding and hardwood lumber business is our capability of quick changeover and special orders. We ship special orders all over the country. One machine that really allows us to excel in that is our CNC knife grinder. The engineer draws it upstairs, downlinks it to this grinder. The tool man then loads the head, and the machine goes ahead and grinds the profile in that head. Very good piece of equipment. We're standing in our mill room right now. This is our main manufacturing floor where we run all our molding, build all our doors. We do all our butcher block tops, which we ship all over the country. This is the main meat and potatoes of the operation. Yeah, we're standing right now in our main warehouse. This is where we keep all our finished products, our hardwood lumber, our moldings, and our plywoods. Behind me here is our LTL shipping area. We ship all 50 states, Canada, some to South America. Also on our smalls, we ship UPS and FedEx every day. Hey, we'd like you to stop out September 16th, 17th, and 18th for our Red, White, and True special sale event, 10% off. We have a lot of things going on. You can come to the showroom or you can buy online. Hope to see you there.